On April 26, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after observing a passenger not wearing a seatbelt.
How are ya?
You just pulled us over for? I'm
You
lost.
weren't wearing a seatbelt when you passed, man.
Man, the passenger seat. Are you
I don't
serious?
care.
Man, ask her what she want for her license insurance.
Okay.
Get away from the window from me.
License and insurance, and I need your license too. Wall 21. Can you throw me down at a traffic stop on Shell and I'll take another car? Yeah, just toss me on a traffic stop at Shell 145 in Pulaski. Give me another car, no rush. I need your license too, sir.
I ain't got no comment.
You weren't wearing your
Man,
seatbelt?
listen, man. What, you a kid or something, man?
I don't care.
Hey, call a sergeant or something.
You're gonna give me your license, you're gonna go to jail. That's simple.
I gotta give you a license.
I'm writing you a ticket. I need your ID.
Man, I don't give you shit.
Your
I don't
license too,
detain you
man.
Nothing. What's wrong with you?
So you're gonna give me your name?
Man, I'm not giving you nothing, man.
All right. Good. Do you have insurance?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Are you gonna give me your license,
Man,
sir?
I'm not driving. What I'm gonna give you my license for?
Because you're not wearing a seatbelt. You don't need to be driving.
Passenger seat, bro.
Yes, sir. Are you gonna give me your name?
I'm not giving you absolutely nothing.
Who is he to you? Can you talk some sense into him? Because he's about to go to jail. I need his ID. I need his license.
A ticket, huh?
Yes, I need your
I
ID.
got a pocket full of money. Do what you need to do, punk.
Are you gonna give me your
No,
name?
because I got a pocket full of money.
Hop on out.
I don't gotta get out the car.
Yep. Ma'am, unlock the door. I need your name. I've asked you 5 times now. You're getting a ticket for no seatbelt. I need your
On
name
the
or
passenger
ID.
seat?
Yes.
This is just a simple.
Man, no. I'm not. ID, you gonna snatch me? Come on, child.
It's gonna turn into an arrest.
Man, ain't no arrest. I got a pocket full of money. Arrest for having a seatbelt. You don't even make any sense, man. Get your away from the car.
Are you gonna give me your name?
Call a sergeant or something. I'm not gonna get
You gotta get out. You gotta get out, bro.
Watch out, bro.
I try to be cordial and nice.
Hey, listen, just don't touch me, bro.
Turn around.
Man, don't turn around shit, bro. Don't touch me, man.
We try to be cool, bro.
Didn't even do nothing for us.
Stop resisting. Now you're under arrest. Stop resisting, bro.
I asked him for his name 5 times.
He's not complying. Relax,
I'm
dude.
not doing nothing, bro.
Relax.
Push me. We'll do it. We'll do it. We'll take you.
I'm not doing
Stop resisting, bro.
You're going to the ground.
Stop
You're going to the ground.
I'm not resisting. What are you talking about? Bro, I just got out the car for you and asked you.
No, man, we're not playing that game. Hey, my cuffs are locked, bro.
Stop.
I'm handing you my arm. Go ahead.
all right.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm handing you
I'm
my
gonna step
arm.
away a little bit.
Go ahead. I'm not doing anything. I'm just telling my child mother is at the liquor store.
Dude, this was a simple, hey, give me your
It's
ID.
still a simple. I don't understand what was going on.
You put your hands on this officer.
I didn't touch you.
Okay, you did. You swatted me away.
I swear to God, I didn't touch you, bro.
We're done.
We're done.
I told you. I told you how it
Bro,
goes.
I didn't touch you.
I told you how it goes.
I didn't touch you. I got out the car.
No.
On April 26, 2025, Illinois police stopped a vehicle for a passenger not wearing a seatbelt. Refusal to identify quickly escalated into an arrest. The officer lawfully ordered the passenger out, allowed under Pennsylvania versus Mims. The passenger lightly resisted and pushed the officer's hand. This gave probable cause for resisting and battery charges. Officers used reasonable soft empty hand control justified under Graham versus Connor.
I got the car like a man. That's why I got the car.
I'm a punk, right? I'm
You
a punk, right?
You're right. You don't want to get noticed. I apologize.
Stop.
I apologize.
Stop.
You're right. I apologize.
Shut up and let me talk.
Go ahead. I apologize.
Okay?
You're right.
I've asked your name 5 times.
You know what?
Okay? You called me a punk. You want to talk shit about it.
You're right. Look,
okay?
I got off a wrong that. I apologize. Listen, I apologize. I was upset about some other shit. It had nothing to do.
Why?
My name is. I'd stay right here. Clip, man. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Where's your ID
man.
at?
I got no idea. You get my phone. I can show you my ID on my phone.
Come on, man.
I apologize,
And
man.
you slapped my hand.
No, I
Come
ain't slapped your hand.
Come
You know
on,
I ain't on that.
Come
I just
on,
got out the
dog.
car, man.
What are you doing?
I apologize, man. I was upset about some other shit. My dog just chewed my flow up, man. That's it. I ain't mean no harm. I was just pissed off the time of the seatbelt ticket. You looked at each other in the eye, and you just pulled it up.
Yeah, but we're not gonna play who's got the bigger, right?
You right. It's all good. Get in the car. It's all good, man.
Take a seat real quick.
Oh,
Take a seat.
yeah, man. I apologize, man. I'm upset about the wrong
I got
shit. Taking it out on you. My name I'm a good guy, man. I'm just upset about some goofy shit. You know I ain't push up on you nothing. I just got out the car. I don't want to play that with
I
the
grabbed
officer,
you. You
bro.
slapped my hand. All right? It's not a big deal.
No, listen, on some real shit, I ain't slap you. I just said don't grab me. That's it. I ain't finna play with no police like that. My sister is
so many
sheriff.
times,
You right, man. I don't know what. I just don't know. I'm just
What's
upset.
how you spell your last name?
Hey, calm down, man. Mom, it's cool, man. I apologize. See, I just got the whole joint over some dumb shit. You know what it was? Man, you just looked at each other, and I just figured you was just picking on me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We just looked at each other, that's all. Picking on me.
So
and we was only getting some ice.
I told you, I'm out here for seatbelts and cell phones, right? It's through the state of Illinois. I'm out here for cell phones and seatbelts.
Listen,
I ain't just pick you out of the box,
you're right. I'm gonna just be honest.
Okay.
I just felt like you picked on me like a kid, and I was just trying to stand up for myself. Because the minute you looked eye to eye at the thing, so that's all it was, bro. I was playing big. That's all, bro. I shouldn't even be playing like that.
Start over with your first name, because I can't.
Now I get her all upset.
So Jay. All right.
Hey, calm down. It's cool.
Just sit in there for a sec. No one's being an asshole.
That's why he wanted. I didn't do nothing wrong, or I didn't disrespect them, or I didn't disrespect none of y'all.
Relax.
Talking about.
I came up here nothing but nice to you guys.
Right, and I was nice to you.
Yes.
I was. You cannot hold what he doing to y'all against me.
Let's continue with that, okay? Talk to me.
You do shit right. So what that before?
Wow, 21. I got your name and date of birth.
Maybe you can come up my skin.
Okay, great.
Talking about. You couldn't wait to say that. No, that's why you. Because of the color.
I pulled you in. Oh, you're on camera. I pulled you in.
Candy, I love it.
You have a valid license, ma'am?
I can't even see it, friend. I don't even want to talk. Because this is just
Ma'am,
odd.
ma'am, do you have a valid driver's license for the vehicle? Do you have it on you?
Yes.
Where?
No, I don't have I lost my ID. I mean, my license, the card.
Do you have a picture of it by any chance?
Of my driver's driver's license? It might be in my phone, probably.
Can you check for me really quick?
Did y'all run my name?
No, I don't think he ran. I don't think he ran your name. I think he ran his name.
He can run it. Just tell him run it. I promise. I got valid license and insurance and all that.
So,
good afternoon, gentlemen.
Stop him for seatbelt passenger. He's got suspended plates.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Stop him. Walk up passenger side. It's already like the punk. You're not getting my shit. Blah blah blah. Asked him probably over 5 times.
Talking about the U.S. Supreme Court. How that works.
Yeah.
F you locks the door.
Oh, okay.
So I asked her. I was like, "Who is he to you?" She stays quiet. So I go around the passenger side. I was like, "Hey, name, gun." He's like, "No." I was like, "All right, hop on out." Locks the door on us. We get it open. He steps out.
We told him we was gonna get arrested if he doesn't open.
So he's not identifying himself. So we went to go put him in handcuffs. Slap my hand. Minor resistant. Now he's cool. He gave his name. Yeah.
Oh, sweet. All right.
So I told him, like, we went hands on, like he's gonna take the ride, unfortunately.
All right, let's go.
All right, let me.
Yeah, she's already talking about, I'm gonna sue you. I'm like, I didn't pull you over.
Cool. Would you mind if I take him back and you just write out P ticket for suspended plates for her?
I would probably prefer your name, and I can take him back.
Yeah, just.
If you're doing it, we're going state charge on, just do state on everything.
Yeah,
for her too.
Yeah, state tickets on everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, and if she doesn't have a license on her, that's another ticket.
Yeah, I got you. And listen, all right.
Hey, can I calm him down real quick?
I got you. Listen to me, all right? So now you're in handcuffs. We did all that extra stuff. So here's the thing. I gotta take you back to the station, right? Right? Because we can't be doing all that extra stuff. Me going hands on. I'll let you out. Listen. So at most, you're gonna get a ticket for a seatbelt back at the station. Obstructing it to misdemeanor. I'm gonna get you out in 30 minutes.
Hey, look, I apologize to you, man. I don't even know why I just got mad. I'm on some real shit. I don't even know why I just got mad. You know what it was? I'm on some real shit. I just seen them at the light. Me and him looked eye to eye. And he just pulled us right over, and I just got mad as hell off that shit. That's all that was,
listen,
bro.
At most, you're gonna get misdemeanors. I could be an asshole and probably charge you with aggravated battery, class 4 felony.
Man, you know I ain't touch you,
Listen,
man.
yes, you did. Yes, you did. I will pull up the video.
I just yanked my hand. I said, "Don't grab me."
That's slap me. It's no deal. Okay. So here's the deal. You're gonna take a ride with him, and we'll get you going here. Okay.
Man, you should, man.
I'm gonna get you out tonight. 30 minutes.
All right, man. Come on. Man, I apologize, man.
Can you just search him again real quick? Thanks, dude. See how we're talking now?
Once cuffed, the man apologized and cooperated. The officer explained clearly and de-escalated well. The driver was cited for driving with suspended registration due to no proof of insurance. The passenger was charged with battery and resisting a peace officer. Officer grade B, plus lawful actions, proportionate force, strong de-escalation. Passenger grade C, unnecessary resistance, though he later apologized and complied.
See your box and it's just showing me how to make a limit drop, man.
See how we were talking now, dude? Like,
Say something to pitch now real quick.
all right, man. He's gonna come back to the station with us. He's gonna get charged up real quick. No big deal. Just a couple misdemeanors. I'm gonna write you a ticket for your suspended plates, and we'll get you out of here. Okay?
Okay.
Understand?
My plates are suspended?
Yes, ma'am. For mandatory insurance violation.
That's incorrect. I have insurance. I just showed you.
So, I've run into this a couple times. People with or without insurance, doesn't matter, even if they're valid or not. They just didn't provide proof of insurance to the Secretary of State in time. That's all it is. Okay? So I'm going to give you a ticket. You could decide to go to court. You could decide not to go to court. Totally up to you. Okay? 30, 45 minutes I need with him at most. No big deal. Okay?
No problem.
Give me a few minutes. You can sit back in your motor vehicle. Okay? All right, ma'am. So I gave you one ticket. It's for the suspended registration. Okay, like I said, you probably just didn't provide proof of insurance to the Secretary of State. Okay, so all you have to do is come up to the DMV here, ask them how you get these plates back valid. I believe that you have to pay a reinstatement fee about 50 or 75 bucks, and show them valid insurance, which you have, and they'll reinstate your plates back to valid. Okay.
Lessons learned. 1. Physical resistance usually makes things much worse, even if you feel your rights are violated. 2. Verbal aggression plus refusing ID often creates new criminal charges like resisting or battery. 3. Quick apology and cooperation after being secured leads to faster resolution. 4. Minor traffic stops can turn into arrests very fast when both sides escalate. Key takeaway: know your rights, protect them with words, not hands. Thank you for watching. Leave your thoughts or topic suggestions in the comments below. Lessons learned. 1. Physical resistance usually makes things much worse even if you feel your rights are violated. 2. Verbal aggression plus refusing ID often creates new criminal charges like resisting or battery. 3. Quick apology and cooperation after being secured leads to faster resolution. 4. Minor traffic stops can turn into arrests very fast when both sides escalate. Key takeaway: know your rights, protect them with words, not hands. Thank you for watching. Leave your thoughts or topic suggestions in the comments below.